devastating floods last year saw communities affected in the Rhondda, in Pontypridd, from Llanrwst to Caerphilly, and I know personally many families who've been absolutely devastated by what happened. And the fact that they can't sleep when major rain occurs is absolutely appalling. No one should have to live like that.
A Plaid Cymru government elected on May the 6th would commit to £500 million of investment in flood defence so we can help support those communities that have been badly left down by Labour over the last 5 years.
I will never forget seeing the impact of the floods on people, homes and businesses. Over a year later, we still don't know what went wrong and why. And time again, the Labour Welsh Government has denied justice to those affected.
Plaid Cymru wants to see an independent inquiry and meaningful and radical investment in our communities to stop this happening to people again.
You can make this happen by electing a Plaid Cymru government on May the 6th, which will get to grips with this problem once and for all.